So here we have the Kite AL 1.5. This is the caramel Cerakote version. It has G10 inlays for grip. It is dual stage CNC machined for amazing tolerances, super tight. Anti-pinch pivot. It is more like a neutral balance. It's not handle heavy, it's not blade heavy. It's like a very neutral balance. So I'm used to handle heavy, but this is very cool too. The handles, listen, are instrument level acoustics. The blade profile I went with was the reverse tanto profile. I love it. Super sharp. I believe it's D2 steel. If you guys love this, it's only 85 bucks and you need to check out LDY Balisong. If you guys already have a Balisong or have many, what's your favorite one? Or what are you flipping right now? I'd love to know. Hit me up in the comments. That's all I got for you guys. Till next time, ciao.